How am I supposed to prepare for the NPPE exam? There's just too much. Ethics, laws, codes. Where do I even start?
Looks like you're deep in NPPE stress. Been there. But you don't have to do this the hard way.
You're a professional engineer, right? How did you even prepare for this exam?
I took NPPE Prep Course from this website. A simplified course, focused content, and real NPPE-style practice questions to make it stick.
These questions feel just like the exam. And wait, there's explanations too?
Exactly. After each quiz, you'll review why an answer is correct, what NPPE topic it connects to, and how to avoid tricky wording.
But why wasn't I able to score high on the practice exam?
Don't worry. NPPE questions can be tricky. First, read the course content to understand the topics. Then, try the practice questions and read the explanations. This will help you learn how to answer the real exam questions. Now, retake the sample questions again.
I got 20 out of 20 this time. This makes so much more sense now.
Don't worry about memorizing every line in a textbook. The key is understanding how they'll ask the questions and what to look for.
This course is a game changer. Wish I found it sooner.
Ready to pass your NPPE with confidence? Join hundreds of engineers using the smart path to exam success. You've got this. We've got your back.